We have gathered here today to commemorate our founders, late Basant Kumar Birla and Sarla Birla. Basant Kumar Birla, an industrialist and philanthropist, a Padma Bhushan recipient, tied the knot with Sarla Birla, Sarla Vianney before marriage on 30th of April 1942. Sarla Birla, an educationist and a businesswoman, entered the Birla family at the tender age of 19. Eventually, she became the matriarch of a large family, and sometimes they are referred to as the first couple of Birla Empire. They say, in this world, it is not possible to forget about the obligation of these three people, father, mother, and guru, the one who has made us walk on the correct path. Birla Bharti pays homage to the gurus and illustrious founders of this institution and all schools under the Sarla Birla Group on this auspicious morning. Thank you.
Thank you. Behind every great man, there is a great woman. Irrespective of the time of the citation, the proverbial truth lying behind has been well known and proven ever since mankind started achieving success. This is the incredible story of late Srimati Sarla Birla and late Shri B.K. Birla. Srimati Sarla Birla was an Indian businesswoman, educationalist, philanthropist, and the wife of industrialist and our founder, Shri Basant Kumar Birla. Sarla Birla was born Sarla Biani on November 23, 1924, at Kachmar in Rajasthan, to a traditional Marwari Hindu family. Her father, Brajlal Biani, was a key figure in India's fight for independence and an eminent member of the Indian National Congress, who later went on to become the first finance minister of Madhya Pradesh in independent India. She grew up amid a number of spoken languages, which made it easy for her to pick up new patois. Even at a very advanced age, she wanted to expand her polyglottism by determining herself to learn French, which she did till the very end of her life. Mrs. Sarla Birla completed her higher education from Pune's prolific Ferguson College. She met Shri Vasant Kumar Birla in the year 1941, beginning a new and robust chapter in their lives. Close aides of the Birla family speak of her first meeting with the youthful Vasant Kumar Birla. She wanted to get to know her proposed life partner personally before committing herself. The engagement was held in November 1941 and solemnized by Mahatma Gandhi, Kasturba Gandhi, in the presence of C. Rajagopalachari, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and Jamna Lal Bajaj. The couple went on to have 3 children, late Sri Aditya Vikram Birla, their only son, Srimati Manjushri Khaitan, and our esteemed chairperson, Srimati Jayashri Mohata. She was described by many as an accomplished academic, an extremely supportive wife, a doting mother, a philanthropist, and a pragmatist. Srimati Sarla Birla was a human being of rare quality.
Shri B.K. Birla, or Basant Babu, as he was fondly called in business circles, was born on 12 January 1921. He was industrialist and philanthropist Ghanshyam Das Birla's youngest son. He completed his matriculation from Kolkata's legendary Hare School and went on to study science at the Presidency College, but dropped out to be inducted into the family business, specifically in Kesuram cotton mills. In his teenage years, he was already actively associated with a large number of companies and eventually became the chairman of Kesuram Industries before establishing Kumar Chemicals, his first venture, in 1938. In 1959, he established the Indo-Ethiopian Textiles Share Company, which was the first major joint venture by any Indian industrialist. In response, he was awarded the Order of Menelik II, the highest Ethiopian honor by Emperor of Ethiopia. While seeking admission for his only son Aditya Vikram Birla, they felt the lack of an appropriate one and decided to build the first ever school under their patronage. It was established as Mahadevi Birla Shishu Vihar. Later on, he and his wife laid the foundations of some 45 educational institutions like Ashok Hall Group of Schools, Mahadevi Birla World Academy, G.D. Birla Center for Education, B.K. Birla Institute of Engineering and Technology, Birla Institute of Management Technology, Greater Noida and Bhubaneswar, Birla Vidya Mandir Nainital, Birla Vidya Niketan New Delhi, our very own school Birla Bharati, and many more for imparting quality education. Over 100,000 students are now educated at these institutions. Their collection of art, including those displayed at the Birla Academy of Art and Culture, would rank amongst India's most distinguished private collections. The Sangeet Kala Mandir Kolkata and the Birla Academy of Art and Culture Kolkata are famous in their own right. They were very close to renowned personalities like Lata Mangeshkar, Asha Bhosle, Devanand, and many more. They were also closely associated with statesmen like Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Nobel laureate Dalai Lama, and many more. Philanthropy is second nature to Mrs. Sarla Birla. The contributions of her, as well as her husband, to the cause of philanthropy find expression in the many temples, dharamshalas, and Galyan mandapams that they have set up and meticulously maintained. The Sun Temple at Kolyur is one of their creations. A firm believer in karma, one of Sarla Birla's favorite quotes is, "You get in life what you give." We always look forward to the shower of blessings and the promise of love.